Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about what swing trading is, what day trading is, what scalping is, and the pros and cons of trading all three of those ways. So let's start off with scalping. Scalping is when you trade on the lower time frames and you're looking for very small price movements. So you'll take a profit anywhere from 1 to 10 pips. Within that sort of range, you're scalping. When you're pretty much in and out of the market very quickly, that's what a scalp is. Now, I do say when you trade on the lower time frames, you'll probably be looking more at the 15 minutes and down. However, scalping does not necessarily mean you have to trade on the smaller time frames. You can trade on the bigger time frames. But what scalping really, the actual definition of what a scalp is to enter and exit the market very quickly for small take profits or small stop losses. So usually people will look on the lower time frames to get a bit of a better picture of how price is moving, so they can take a perhaps a larger looking move on a smaller time frame rather than taking a very small looking move on a larger time frame. Personally, I prefer looking at larger time frames when scalping. I do not look at the lower time frames. I'll sometimes go as low as a 15, but that's very seldom. I'll usually stick to around the 1 hour chart when scalping or day trading. And that is because when you're trading, when you're looking at a potentially larger move, even if you get it wrong, there will still usually be some room for profit. If you're trading on a 1 hour chart, say you're buying on a support, price will still move up a little bit, enough for you to potentially make a profit as a scalper, even if it ends up going against you. So I definitely say the pros of scalping are that you're in and out very quickly, so it avoids, you're avoiding staying on the chart for too long and letting your emotions get the best of you. The cons of scalping would probably be that it requires a lot more concentration in the moment. It requires you to kind of sit on your chart and really watch and wait for that entry, so you can get the perfect sort of pinpoint entry where you want it. Whereas something like day trading or swing trading doesn't require as much in the moment concentration. Okay, so let's move over to day trading. Now, day trading would usually be traded around the 1 hour, maybe as low as the 15 minutes, up to the 4 hour even. Now, what a day trade is a longer sort of term trade where you're looking to catch a bigger move, something over 10 pips, and you're looking to exit that position before the end of the day. You're not letting it run overnight, you're not letting it run over a week. That would constitute as a swing trade. So a day trade is longer than a scalp, but it is not as long as a swing trade. You're looking for an intraday movement that's bigger than 10 pips. That would be a day trade. Now, the pros of day trading is that it doesn't require as much concentration necessarily as scalping, and also another thing is that it doesn't let you overtrade. So you're not placing multiple trades a day with day trading. You're looking at maybe 1 to 2 trades maximum in the day. The cons of day trading would probably be, I can't really call out any cons, but I'd have to say maybe it might be a con to some people, is that you can't catch as big a move as you potentially could on a swing trade. And you're not, maybe also for other people, is that people that maybe prefer scalping, a con would be that you're not able to exit the position as quickly, so your emotions can end up getting the better of you if you end up watching your trade for too long. Lastly, let's look at swing trading. Now, swing trading would usually be traded from the 4 hour chart upwards, 4 hour daily, weekly charts, and what you're doing with a swing trade is you're looking for a huge swing move. So a swing trade would usually be more than 100 pips, and you're looking at potentially holding that position for a number of days, weeks, or even months. Now, the pros of swing trading is obviously that you are looking to catch huge moves, but I would say the cons of swing trading is that with a big move that you could potentially catch comes a big move that could potentially go against you. So your stop losses are bigger, and it requires a lot of self-discipline to swing trade so that you don't let your emotions get the better of you. So I hope this video helped. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and if you're interested in learning more about forex trading, we'll link to our website in the description below. Just click the link. We're selling our forex course there. Thanks a lot.